Fabulous floor plan west / this 4/5 bedroom / 4 full bath home, full brick ranch plus bonus in popular Jeff Benton Community. Multiple sleeping areas ideal for teenage / multi-generational living. Large great room west / gas fireplace opens to breakfast area and kitchen west / added bar seating. Stainless appliances and gas range plus butcher block island. Master suite has large custom fitted walk-in closet, double vanities, jetted tub and separate shower. 3 more BRs down west / 2 full baths plus large bonus room up west / full bath, could be 5th bedroom, lots of storage upstairs. Great laundry room off back hall and oversized garage. Pool, clubhouse complete this community, only 1 mile from Martin Road Redstone Gate and new Publix.